Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Style. So in this video, I'm going to be giving you guys some information and talking about my Patreon page. This is a great place to go and sign up if you have a shop or you make custom party favors. I'm going to be going over the different tiers that I have, what they have to offer, and things like that. Okay, so hold on, wait, let me go back up, y'all. Oh my gosh, okay, I should have a dollar tier. But anyway, okay, so this $3.50 tier. This one is, as you can see, just for kids crafts. This has different ideas every week. Sometimes it's printable, sometimes it's just ideas. If it's just ideas, then I will throw 2 or 3 of them out there every week. These are things that's good for the classroom or good for things just to do with your kids. That's an awesome tier to have. I love it. So the image tier is $6 a month, and this tier is pretty much just as it says. It's just images. Any images that you see me using in my chip bags, you will find here in the $6 tier. Like, that's where it's going to be at. That's where that goes down. In the chip bag tier, you get your images, but also this is where the requests come in. Whatever you request, I will pretty much fulfill those requests for what you want to see, and y'all, it will get done. It gets done. I do it, okay? It gets done. So the labels tier, okay, $25. As you see, you know what? $25, you may think that's a little steep and be like, oh my god, y'all, she crazy, she tripping, why? But let me tell you, okay, you have over 70 different template videos, meaning this is a tier where you can make a ton of money off of it. If you have a shop or you are looking for things for your clients, for your customers, you guys, this is what you want to get. This right here. And this also includes chip bags. This includes images. This includes craft ideas. This has everything all wrapped up into one. Do you understand? Over 70 different template videos. And you guys know, if you go to Etsy and you're looking to just buy templates and singles, that can get a little pricey to where you end up paying maybe $25 for just 3 or 4 templates, and you're getting over 70. Like, $25 isn't even, that's not even a fraction of what this tier is really worth. Like, honestly. But you guys, it's so much stuff on here that you can get and just, you know, learn from it, better your skills, offer to your clients. And I also answer any questions that you may have. I'm telling you, I'm on Patreon a lot more than I am YouTube. And you know, that is, I hate to say it, but that is because, you know, the people that's on Patreon, these are paying customers. This is my job. This is what I do. So I'm on here and answering questions a lot faster and a lot quicker than I am my YouTube, and I'm fulfilling these requests a lot more than I am my YouTube. You know, I hate to say that, but you know, it's a job. This is my job. And I also do have a dollar tier, a $1 tier, if you guys would like to support me and support what it is that I do, you know, which is trying to bring different crafts and different ideas to my page, you know, to just help you guys come up with some kind of ideas and inspiration, because, you know, I want you guys to all be as creative as possible. I want you guys to get into crafting, I want you guys to learn, gather information. This is what this is all about, and I want you guys to be able to sell these things. I'm aiming to help you guys to sell, to make money, to bring in them coins. You get what I'm saying? So I feel like I'm rambling. So I'm just going to go ahead and stop it right here. But if you have any questions at all about my Patreon page, please feel free to ask. And I will see you guys very soon. Bye.